everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Marla Meridith. Today I am whipping up a super quick and easy Asian cucumber salad. When we go for Japanese food, I always order this salad first. The flavors are light, bright, totally summery, and it's a great way to start off your meal. It's a crisp, fresh cucumber salad with sesame flavors. There's some green onion in there, soy sauce, and some seasoned vinegar. It's so simple, it comes together in just minutes. If you don't already have some of these ingredients like toasted sesame oil, I urge you to buy it because seriously, I guarantee you'll use it time and time again. If you've already subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's great to see you back here. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you back here soon. Okay, let's get started. Look how great the salad looks. We're gonna go ahead and dive in. We'll see you next time.